Hello, everyone. It's Nancy, and happy Sunday morning to you. Well, for today's Sunday style, I chose a couple of pieces from past boxes to wear to church. I'm a little dubious as to whether we're going to actually make it to church or not. We have a really long driveway. It's about the length of a football field. We moved to this house in April of last year, and immediately my husband started trying to get us a snowplow to put on the mower to plow out well because of, I'm assuming it's because of problems with the supply chain. Said snowplow kept getting put off, and it has not arrived. And now, of course, we're having this big snowstorm here in the Midwest, and we're stuck. And it's a solid sheet of ice. I just went out there and it's kind of slipping. He thinks he can get us out in time. We are supposed to leave in an hour. I don't think it's going to happen. So we'll see. We will get out today. It's supposed to get above freezing, so I believe it's going to melt off. I need to get out of here. I've been stuck in this house for several days, and I'm going stir crazy. So if anybody from church is watching this, we try. We may make it yet. I doubt it. So this is what I had planned on wearing to church. If we make it to church, this is what I will be wearing. And if we don't, I'm changing into some jeans and a sweater. Okay, let me lower the camera just a little bit so I can get my whole body as I back up here. Close enough. Okay, so this is a shirt I got from my second Wantable unboxing. That's the first one where I actually used the multiple item discount. I purchased 5 items. So I like this shirt, kind of wish it would tuck in a little bit, but what I'm liking is with the hanging down thing in the back, it's hiding that elasticized waist in the back of the, what was the brand on these pants? Very popular. Anyway, I got them in my second front door fashion unboxing. Finally, we found some dress pants, but you know what's happening? They're getting too big. I don't know, maybe if I wash them, but I don't think this is fabric that's going to shrink, but they're starting to slide down on me a little bit. I'm not losing weight right now. I have started lifting weights very consistently again. I didn't do that for a long time, for the past year or so, because I was having treatments done on the veins in my legs. So after things were done, I had to take a certain period of time off of lifting, to let everything in there heal and seal off. And so I spent quite a bit of last year not lifting weights, but I've started up again consistently. And my body tends to respond pretty quick to that, so it could perhaps just be a tightening down of everything that's causing that. But I'll try washing them. I haven't washed them in a while. What is the brand of these pants? Oh, good heavens. It's a popular brand. I'll try and find it and put it down below if you're curious. And I'm just wearing them with this little pair of flats. They're Charter Club. I got them on sale when we visited one of our daughters in Lexington, Kentucky for my birthday in November. My feet were so uncomfortable. She works in a mall, and we went there to visit her store. It's the jewelry store, and walked down to Macy's, and I found these cute shoes on sale. This isn't the perfect look with this, but because it's icy and cold out there, if we do get out, I want to at least have some kind of footing. But aren't those cute? I mean, they're just very simple. I love the texture on them. And they're not warm, but I feel a little safer than putting a bootie on or a heel, anything with a heel. So there we go. This is what I'm wearing, at least for now. Very likely to change. Well, I will be commenting tomorrow on any comments. Like I said last week, I plan on taking Sundays after I record this and post it off, and just giving myself a little bit of a break from my YouTube channels and just be able to enjoy family, although at this point it's likely to be only my husband because we're snowed in, and worship. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch. I would just love to hear what everybody thinks. Love communicating with you. You could take a split second, hit the like. I appreciate that. If you have been watching me all along, thank you so much for your continued support. That means a lot. And if you'd like to subscribe, just hit the subscribe. And what else? I think we're good. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye-bye, and be blessed.